I live in Hollywood. I hear a lot of Hollywood girls and the way they talk around, you know, they talk like this. In Hollywood, they really do. You hear them at like bars and coffee shops. Except after a while, it doesn't even sound like words anymore. It's just like sounds and like keywords. It's just like, and then guy at the bar. And so unwanted pregnancy. And Facebook. They love Facebook. I'm a music lover. I love music. I just bought Macy Gray's the album she put out last. And I've started watching clips of Macy Gray online, like performing live around the country. Thing about Macy Gray is she's great, but the woman is stoned all of the time. Like she's at gigs like, try to walk away, but I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. How the hell did I get here? Woman doesn't know where she is. I love Alanis Morissette. I'm a huge Alanis Morissette fan. And I realized all you have to do an impression of Alanis Morissette is to sing with an Irish accent. It's so weird. I mean, the woman is Canadian. She went to India, came back Irish. Don't know how it happened. Well, I'm here to remind you. Alanis Morissette. You guys remember those PSA announcements they used to have? The more you know those? I think we should have Alanis Morissette doing that. Like, you'd be watching your favorite program, all of a sudden Alanis would pop up and be like, well, I'm here to remind you not to have sex unprotected. You could get HIV, AIDS, or herpes, or something else. You ought to know.